Have you ever cleaned your home for hours, only to step back and feel like something still looks dull, messy, or just not right? What if I told you there's one unbelievably simple trick that instantly makes your entire house look brighter, cleaner, and more luxurious? And it takes almost zero effort? Sounds impossible, right? But wait till you see how this tiny change transforms your whole space. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because these small but powerful home hacks will completely change the way you clean and live. 1. The surprising truth about what makes homes look dirty. Most people think a messy-looking home comes from dust, clutter, or stains, but that's only partly true. The real culprit is something most of us never notice: light and reflection. When surfaces don't reflect light properly, your home looks dull, even after cleaning. It feels heavy, lifeless, and visually messy. That's why some homes look effortlessly beautiful without much cleaning, while others feel dull even after a deep scrub. 2. The one simple trick: micro shine method. Here's the magic. Instead of cleaning your entire house endlessly, focus on quick micro shine points, small surfaces that catch light. These are the areas the eye naturally notices first. Shine just those areas, and your entire home suddenly looks fresh and professionally cleaned. 3. Why microshine works like magic. Human eyes are strange. They don't scan every corner of your room. They're drawn to the brightest spots and reflective surfaces. When these shine, everything feels clean. But when they're dull, fingerprinted, or cloudy, the whole room feels dirty, even if it's actually clean. 4. Start with the most powerful shine zone: faucets. Bathroom and kitchen faucets are the biggest cleanliness indicators. If your faucet is shiny, your brain believes the entire bathroom is spotless. That's why hotels always polish them. To apply the hack, take a tiny pinch of baking soda and a drop of dish soap. Rub it over your faucet for 10 seconds. Rinse and wipe with a dry microfiber cloth. 5. The second shine zone: door handles and knobs. Door handles are touched constantly, so they lose shine quickly. When they're dull, your home feels unmaintained. When they sparkle, everything looks elevated. A simple wipe with a vinegar water mix restores instant shine. 6. Third shine zone: glass spots that catch light. No, not the whole mirror, just the center strip where your face reflects. And not the whole window, just the parts hit by sunlight. Spray, wipe, shine. The glass brightens, the light bounces, and suddenly the entire room feels airy and clean. 7. Fourth shine zone: kitchen counter, view line. You don't need to clean the whole countertop daily. Just clean the view line, the front strip your eyes see when entering the kitchen. Wipe it with a lemon water solution for a quick natural shine and scent. 8. Fifth shine zone: your home's eye-level objects. This includes TV screens, picture frames, table centerpieces, and glossy decor pieces. A quick shine makes the entire living room look upgraded. A dull TV screen makes the whole room feel dusty. A shiny one feels brand new. 9. Emotion behind cleanliness. Why this works: a shiny home feels safe, warm, and peaceful. It boosts your mood, reduces stress, and makes you feel instantly accomplished. Humans associate shine with freshness and cleanliness. That's why expensive homes and hotels always focus on reflective surfaces rather than scrubbing every corner. Once you start using this one trick, you will notice something incredible. Your home starts feeling cleaner even between deep clean days. Less stress, less overwhelm, more confidence. Because your home looks polished, intentional, and cared for with almost zero effort. Click the link in the description box below to join our free community, where we offer informative articles, ideas, friendship, and much, much more. If this hack blew your mind, like this video, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell, because I share many powerful, life-changing home hacks that make your daily routine easier, calmer, and more efficient.